So, hey guys, ACOnetwork is again with all of you, and today's short video tutorial on Mozilla Firefox, as you see over here. Okay, today I will be showing you two different things that you can do with the icons of bookmarks. So, first thing is how to reset all the icons of all the bookmarks at once. Second thing I want to show you is how to change the icon of specific bookmark. But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe, like or dislike and share. And let's start. So first I will need to go over here and press this open menu button. Go to help, click on it, and click on troubleshooting information. On this web page, just find profile folder and click open folder button. And you get inside a Mozilla Firefox profile folder. So now I will need to close any window of Firefox I have. So, what now? First, I will show you how to reset all the bookmarks icons at once. Bookmark icon is also named favicon or favorite icon. You can describe it however you want. I will just say bookmark icon, let's say. Okay, so we just need to scroll down a little bit and find this file, favicons.sqlite. And now I can right click on it and I can just select rename if I want to, let's say, just make a backup of icons, or I can just delete it, whatever you want. I would just click rename to have backup, and on the end I would just type .bak and press enter. When these notifications pops up, just click yes, and that's it. So when you reopen the Mozilla Firefox web browser, you see that there is no more icons. To refresh, just click on the web page, and after a few moments icon will pop up. Like for Google, icon is popped out. Okay, so first part is done. Let's go to the second part. For the second part, I will be using these lines of code, which you can find inside my description of this video. Sorry guys. And what to do with that? So first I need to go back to my profile folder and go inside Chrome folder, and I will be editing userChrome.css. Just right click on it and edit with Notepad. But people, some of you probably does not have this file and this folder. You basically need to create Chrome folder over here in this profile folder and just create text document with .css extension. If you do not know how to make all this stuff, just watch my previous video when I was talking how to change the folder icon of the folders bookmarks. You will find it in description below this video, or you can just press upstairs. You know, just follow the arrow. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, so now I will open up this window and put it on this side. So first, as I said, first I need to copy these lines of code. Copy it, and inside here I will go to new line. But you probably maybe do not have anything inside this window. If you do not have First must-have stuff is to have this line over here on the top. This line you need to have on the beginning of this file, not on the middle, not on the end, on the pure beginning. And all the code, like all this code, must be typed after that line. But don't worry, this link I will include inside the description of this video too. Okay, so let's continue. Here we are changing just two different things. Test bookmark under those two apostrophes, that is a label of bookmark. Let's say we want to change bookmark icon for this one. Just right click, properties, and you can rename it, you can add another name or whatever. But I will leave it as it is. I will just copy it, boom, click cancel, and I will just remove and change it to ACOnetwork minus YouTube, because that is the name. So every time you set a name over here, icon of that name will be replaced. So next thing is bookmark icon. If I minimize for a moment, as you see here, I prepared icon of JPG. First, icon must be 16.16 pixels, not more, not less. And it needs to be in PNG format. You can resize it, edit it, whatever on your computer, or you can just use some free service over the internet. Let's say in google.com, just type in online image resizer, and let's say resizeimage.net. You can just click on it. You can use some other site, whatever you want. So here I will just upload this image, which is on my desktop, favicon.jpg, and this is the icon. Next I will just set the 16 pixels, 16.16. I will keep aspect ratio to the square. And the last thing, I will just select PNG because I need PNG. But remember, this is white background behind, so icon will not look the great with it. JPG does not support transparent background. If you want transparent, then just find some image with a transparent background. Okay, so when I selected this, just click resize image. And as you see, it takes only 668 bytes, not even 1 kilobyte. And I will just click download image. I hope you all understand my talking and it is clear enough. By the way, if you have any questions, just say everything below this video in comment section. Okay, now I will just save it. I will go to a folder of this icon where it is saved. I will just cut it. I will go back to Chrome folder and paste it over here. We want this name, let's say favicon. You can rename it to whatever you want, you know. I will just leave it. And I will copy favicon.png, so name and extension. And here I will just replace everything in between apostrophes, click paste, and that's it. So when I save it, I close web browser, and when I open it again, as you see, icon is changed. And that is basically all, people. So, if you have any questions, did not understand something, whatever, just type everything below this video in comment section. So, until next time, have a nice time, bye bye! If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos. Share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too. and have a great day. Bye bye.